Advanced tips. Sound natural and score high. Welcome back to Michael's TOEFL Speaking course. In this advanced lesson, you'll learn how to sound fluent, confident, and natural to earn a high TOEFL speaking score. We'll cover developing fluency and confidence, paraphrasing ideas, building short, detailed stories, using intonation to sound engaging. Visit bettertoeflscores.com for personalized feedback and coaching. How to sound fluent and confident. Fluency means speaking smoothly and continuously, not fast. Long-term fluency building strategies. Shadowing. Repeat after native speakers from TED Talks or podcasts daily. Match rhythm, tone, and pauses. Retelling. After listening to a short story or lecture, retell it in your own words without notes. Daily speaking. Record a 45-second TOEFL-style answer daily. Practice consistency over perfection. Speak every single day. During the test, don't worry about small mistakes. Keep speaking naturally. Use connectors. Words like actually, in fact, and I mean to sound conversational. Smile slightly. It helps your tone sound confident and friendly. Confidence equals a calm tone, steady pace, clear organization. Raters, remember, listen for clarity and control, not perfect grammar. Paraphrasing ideas. One of the best ways to sound natural is through paraphrasing. It shows vocabulary depth, flexibility, and control. Example, smartphones are helpful because they save time, so using they as a pronoun to tie back to smartphones. However, in the next example, you have a little bit better vocabulary by saying, smartphones are valuable tools that help people work more efficiently. So now you're using valuable tools to refer back to smartphones. Example, I agree that exercise is important. Or you can say, I completely support the idea that regular physical activity improves both physical and mental health. Rewrite short sentences in multiple ways. This is very good practice. Example, students should study hard. You could rewrite this by saying it's essential for students to stay focused on academics. Putting consistent effort into studying helps students succeed. Diligent study habits prepare students for success in the future. Variety helps your answers sound polished and academic. Building short stories and opinions. When giving examples, tell short, specific stories instead of general ideas. Concrete examples make your answers memorable and natural. Steps to build your story. Number 1, focus. Stick to one main example. Avoid listing multiple ideas. 2, elaboration. Explain the situation. Who, where, when, and why. 3, telling detail. Add small sensory details that bring your story to life. Example, week. I like studying in the library because it's quiet. Improved. Last week I studied in the library near my dorm. I found a corner desk with a soft yellow lamp and hardly any noise. After 2 hours, I finished my essay peacefully. See the difference? The second example feels alive, specific, and confident. Concrete details equals natural speech plus strong impression. Using intonation to sound engaging. Now remember that different languages have different intonation patterns. English is not a monotone language. And when I talk about intonation, I mean the tone of your voice. Your tone keeps your speech interesting and expressive. Monotone speech sounds robotic and can hurt your delivery score. Rule 1, go up slightly when introducing an idea. For example, I'd like to share a story about how I learned to manage my time. Rule 2, go down when finishing a thought. That's why I think time management is essential for success. Rule 3, emphasize key words to highlight meaning. I was really surprised when my teacher praised my project. Express emotion naturally. It was amazing. Disappointment. Honestly, it was frustrating. Practice tip. Exaggerate your tone slightly when you record yourself. Then listen back to check if your pitch rises and falls naturally. Sounding expressive shows confidence, and confidence earns higher scores. Review and practice plan. Speak smoothly and confidently at a natural pace. Paraphrase to show vocabulary control. Tell short, detailed stories with real examples. Use intonation to express emotion and clarity. Practice plan. Record one TOEFL speaking response daily. Focus on one skill per recording. Fluency, maybe on one time, maybe vocabulary the next, maybe think about tone on the third recording. Listen back and note your progress over time. Join Better TOEFL Scores for personalized feedback. Are you ready to get that high TOEFL speaking score? Join my TOEFL speaking and writing feedback service at bettertoeflscores.com. You'll get daily pronunciation and grammar feedback, scoring analysis using TOEFL rubrics, strategies to fix your weak areas fast. Don't guess your weaknesses. Let's fix them together. Speak clearly, sound confident, and score high. Final thoughts and motivation. TOEFL success equals clarity and control and confidence. Speak naturally with solid pacing. Use paraphrasing, storytelling, and tone to connect with the listener. Remember, fluency grows daily through practice. Keep recording yourself and listen with purpose. Visit bettertoeflscores.com. Start personalized coaching today. Remember, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, tell other people it's a free speaking course. And I'm Michael. I will see you in the next video.